All right, this is kind of a special video. We're gonna do a little unboxing action. This is the Holy Black. This is the Jekyll and Hyde box. That's their Halloween debut. Comes with a little pry bar. We're gonna go ahead and take that beast off there. Oh, Jesus. So it's kind of nailed on there. All right, let's get cracking. Been waiting for this thing all damn week. Try not to break this.
Try not to break the freaking lid. Should I go after the staples? Alright, that's definitely how to do it. Alright.
It's like a minute and a half already. I just struggle. What? Oh, this is pretty creepy. A little letter. I'll pipette. Oh, that's so dope, dude. Look at that. That's awesome. All right, what do we got? So we got this is the Dr. Jekyll aftershave. Damn, that's a big ass bottle too. Got the sweet Holy Black seal there. So this thing's all lit up. I guess when you open the top, it's supposed to just turn on you. All right, what else is it come with? That's the Mr. Hyde aftershave. So I guess you're supposed to be able to mix these two together and make like, you can use them by themselves or you mix them together. So this is like a cologne, Dr. Jekyll. I'm assuming this one's Mr. Hyde. That's so crazy. It's the tallow shave seal. That's pretty dope. Keep it knife. Oh, that's cool. It's like two different soaps right there, dude. Let me turn this thing back on. I'm gonna see if it'll make noise again. That's so jacked, dude. Check it out. On the back right now. That's so sweet. And there you have it. That's the Holy Blacks, Dr. Jekyll, Mr. Hyde. I waited my ass off all the way till midnight to get this thing, and it's definitely is not disappointed.